Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you watched my video on Monday, you saw my tutorial with the Makeup Revolution Extra Spice palette. So this is the same day, you're just watching it a different day. So we're sticking with the same theme. But first, let's play your intro. So we're doing our wear test today. We're trying to get back to regular schedule. Wednesday's our wear test, unless something else comes in, and then you might be seeing this a week later, and maybe you watched my Glam Bag Ipsy Plus last week. I don't know. But this will go up on a Wednesday. So since I have on the Extra Spice palette today, I wanted to wear some more Makeup Revolution, and we are going to test their Retro Luxe lip kits. Now, we're going to go ahead and say, this looks like a Kylie lip kit. Did I say that? Well, okay. Makeup Revolution dupes everybody. That's what they do. That's why we love them, because their stuff is super similar and it's still usually incredible. So that's why we love them. I am going to apologize though, because I thought I bought a dark color, right? Like, this looks super dark. This is the color. It's like a nude. But we're going to roll with it because we have a lip liner and a lippy. We usually don't use lip liner, but since this comes in a kit, we use both pieces. So I'm thinking the lip liner is going to darken up the lippy. I don't know. But we're going to try it today. It is 10:41. So thanks to you guys, I'm going to be up super late tonight. And yes, y'all just saw Tinder on my phone. Anyways, we are going to go ahead and put this on, go about our day, and I will be in Texarkana because I'm filming this on the 13th, which means yesterday, for me, was my birthday. And so I'm going to see my mommy today because I didn't go see her on my actual birthday. Enough chatter. We're going to see what we can get into, but first we're going to put on this lip liner. Okay, if y'all didn't know, now you do. I'm just as challenged with putting on lip liner as I am with putting on actual lippies. Yeah, I kind of suck at it, but it's on. Mission accomplished. And now we put on the actual lippy. This should dry down matte. We're going to see. Sometimes lip liners make them slip a little, but this is how it comes in the package. So here's our lippy. Okay, so the lippy is on. Feels a little sticky, but it's still drying, so hopefully it'll de-stick soon. The color's pretty. Lip liner definitely did make it darker. Looks pretty good with my makeup today. That makes me happy. The little swatch on my hand isn't moving, so let's hope that is an indicator for my lips too, because I want to look ratchet today. And I think we're going to Olive Garden, so we're going to have some greasy food. So it is like 11. I will leave this on until 11. We might go out and have some fun tonight since it is my birthday weekend. So we shall see what we get into. I will be back probably to show you my lunch. I'm excited for food. But yeah, so that's it. I'll see y'all in a second. Okay, so we just had Olive Garden. I showed y'all already. It is raining, but I don't like this. It's chipping. It's drying out my lips. It's faded on the inside, but it's still wearable. So we're gonna see what happens over the rest of the day. It is about 4 o'clock, so we're like 5 hours in. Yeah, see y'all in a second. Okay guys, so it is like 9:30. We have an hour and a half left. Final verdict on this. It looks okay. but my lips are so dry and it's still sticky. And it's been almost 11 hours. I'm not feeling it. I'll come back before I go to bed and give y'all a final look, but I don't like it. Okay guys, so it is our final check-in. It's midnight. So we went 13 hours. This is absolutely not my favorite. It's faded off. My lips are even more dry than when we started. I just don't like it. I don't know if y'all see, like, it's sticky everywhere and it comes off. I'm just not feeling it at all. So yeah, for me, I don't think I would buy any more of these. It's an alright color. It looked good with my makeup today, but this is just not my jam, y'all. So yeah, I'm sure this is a shorter wear test than usual, but this has been an interesting day and I didn't have a whole lot of time for check-ins. So yeah, this one is absolutely not Flo approved. I hate doing that, but I can't get behind this one. It just did not work for me at all. But hopefully next week we found one that will. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, you guys.